Hi Master sa mga interested mag-abroad. Hiring ang Croatia ng skilled workers, gaya ng store attendant, merchandiser, store attendant, warehouse workers, light drivers, heavy drivers, forklift operator, butcher, assistant cook, baker, kitchen helper, production worker, food industry, waiter, bartender, housekeeper, room attendant, cleaner, laundry attendant, maintenance technician. At ang interview sa September 2024. So Masters, makakapaghanda pa kayo? For sure, maraming magtatanong paano mag-apply, anong age limit, at anong qualifications. Disclaimer Masters, hindi ako part ng company. So pag may mga tanong kayo, i-search nyo lang tong Premier Global Recruitment. Meron silang Facebook page. Ito ang kanilang Facebook page. May 55,000 followers. Nandyan na yung address, nandyan na yung contact number, and nandyan yung email address. So Masters, don't forget, sa kanila kayo magtatanong, ako ay isang content creator lamang. At sa lahat ng gustong mag-apply, hanapin nyo lang tong post nilang ito. Then i-click nyo lang yung link na to, yung blue. Nakalagay dyan, register here. Yan, fill out the form to secure your spot and receive updates. For exact date and more details, please visit the page regularly. So sa lahat ng mag-a-apply, good luck sa inyo, and sabi nga ni Master Bay, dream big, sky is the limit.